Hey friends, welcome to my channel, Adia Sharel. I am going to be showing you how I achieved this rod set. So I used the purple rods and the orange rods. So go ahead and grab these babies and grab some mousse and let's get started. Okay, so we are going to do a rod set today. And I need to do something with my hair. It has been in that third grade teacher ponytail for the longest. Hey, did you subscribe yet? Come on, girl, subscribe to the tribe. Moisturize my hair with coconut Shea Eden Body Works, shea butter, and then I'm just loving this Mielle leave-in conditioner. It is amazing. I really love it. I blow dry my hair with it. I'm about to buy more of their products. Amazing. I usually use gel, but I'm going to use mousse this time. Let's see how that works out for you. All right, let us begin. So I sectioned off my hair. I had 3 bantu knots going in the front, and then I have some 3 sections in the back. So I'm gonna start with this section here. All right, I'm just gonna put a little extra oil on the ends. I already moisturized it off camera, but we're just gonna put a little extra on the ends, girl. All right, so I'm gonna take a section about that size, and then I'm just gonna spray a little bit of my leave-in just to get some moisture in there so it could set. But I'm not doing this on soaking wet hair because I want it to dry within my lifetime, okay? So I'm just gonna use a little bit of mousse. Oh, maybe that's a lot. Yeah, definitely a lot. It's fine. And I'm gonna take my Denman and make sure it's evenly distributed so I could get that nice hold. So what you wanna do is start twisting. This way you could get those roots nice and smooth. And then I'm just going to take your rod. I'm going to go in with the purple first. And then curl right at the bottom. Okay, make sure it's all smooth. And then I'm going to roll it up on itself like that. And then once you get into the root, you want to like twist it around and roll it. Make sure it's really nice and secure. Just twist it one more good time around. Okay. And then take this. And make sure the rubber band part goes in front of the hair. And make sure it's like close to the root like that. Okay? As you can see here. Let's keep going. About that size there. And another tip too, you don't want to have like straight super defined parts. Because once you go to fluff it out, you don't want any parts showing. And I'm smoothing it down. Okay. Make sure the rubber band part goes across so it could kind of like clamp down on a twist like that. Okay. So I would love to hear what brand of mousse that you all use. Cause yeah, this is a new way for me. Stepping away from the gel. But yeah, if you guys have any suggestions of mousse brands, I'll be open to try them. You want to work pretty fast because you're adding water and moisture to your hair, but we don't want it to revert back because we want it to be stretched out and as smooth as possible so we could get a nice defined rod set. Again, I'm near the top, so I'm going to use a large curling rod. Twist it around. once or twice just to make sure you have some good tension on there. So now we are at the front. I have completed the back, so let me show you all what that looks like. Okay. And once I got to the top of the middle section, I split it into two. But yeah, there you have it. So I'm curious. I know it was just Valentine's Day. What did your Valentine get you? Give me the tea, sis. Let me know. So me, on the other hand, I had to work. I was home doing stuff. But my father's so sweet. I have a sister too. In our seasons of singleness, since we were little girls, my father would always get us Valentine's Day gifts. And he did that this year. It was so sweet. He got this beautiful card. And him and my mother, they gave us a gift card to Bath and Body Works. It was super sweet. I'm going to split it in two. All my natural ladies, that's why you just keep going. You keep experimenting. And you figure out the technique that works best for you. Don't give up. And I have motivation to get through this fast. One, because it's late. Same old, same old. When am I ever not deciding to do my hair late? And I got some chicken that I just took out the oven. So we gotta get to that chicken. Okay? Yes. Oh my gosh, this better come out cute. That's all I'm saying. Or y'all gonna see me cry on national television. Oh wait, nope. See, if it's jiggling too much, you ain't get it tight enough. I want it to fall like to the front a little bit. This is where I cut my hair in the front when I was taking out my butterfly locks. Ugh. There was actually an earthquake that night too, a mini earthquake. I remember. And I was I like took a break to get take a shower, and the earthquake happened while I was in the shower, and I was like, Lord Jesus, I don't want to die this way with my hair half done and be butterball naked. Not this way, Lord. Yeah. The thoughts that go through my mind, I swear. Priorities, you know. I want to die pretty. Yes. So we are going to let her dry overnight. And this is just a PSA. A warning. A warning. I've lived this life, this natural hair life. And if you decide that you're going to take out one of these rods without it completely drying, I mean completely drying, you will cry real tears. They will come when you see your hair just start to shrivel up before your eyes. It will happen. So do what you got to do. I don't care if you got to take a blow dryer to that thing, okay? Turn the fan on, get under the hood of dryer, whatever you got to do. I'm telling you, trust me. Bad start to the morning. Don't do it. I woke up like this. Okay. So, we are taking off the bonnet. Le bonnet. Oui, oui. So, all of the rods stayed in. None of them popped off. Okay. Let's start to take them off from the back. Put a little bit of oil. So you see I'm like twisting in the opposite direction. It loosens up, and then I'm able to just split it into like picked. Separated them into two. Okay, so this is the final result. I think it's super adorable. Yes. I'm not going to separate anymore because I just want this to give me 2 days. I mean, if you want to give me 3, give me 3. So I don't want to manipulate it too much because then you get into it looking crazy the next day. What do you all think? Follow me on Instagram so you can check out my pictures, how I styled it the next day. And make sure you subscribe too. Look, I'm giving you content. I'm trying to give the people what they want. And also, talk about give the people what they want. If you have any suggestions, I am so open to it. Whatever you want to learn, whatever you want to see, just let me know. And I will give you that. Okay? Thank you. Bye, friends.